Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia Device to Huawei Mate 10 Pro. Firstly, open Play Store on both smartphones, click on the search bar and type Send Anywhere. Following that, you need to download this free app from this developer and open it. Over here, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both smartphones. Following that, select Receive on Huawei and Send on the Nokia. Then you need to click on all of those type of dots and just send in order to send all of those files. It will take a long while though, so I will go with this one photo, just send and tap on got it. Over here we have two connection ways. We can input this key over here and after that select receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on the scanning icon on Huawei, then select allow and point your camera at the code. Also, sorry, I need to go back. And now we need to wait. As you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!